Hi friends, I'm Dr. Ryan here and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. In my previous videos, the greatest psychological discoveries, I have mentioned you that I will be uploading the four major psychological discoveries which speak about our life, the enjoyment, healthy life and a strong life. The first discovery of that greatest psychological discovery is that we look for happiness in all the wrong places. Dear friends, the title itself say that when I really analyze myself, when I really think about myself, do I really enjoy? Do I really find happiness? Or do I really find happiness in wrong place so that I end up being not happy? Like we typically think of major life events, raises large purchases and success as the main source of happiness in our life. The sentence is very clear that see, again, each individual have their own way of thinking when it comes to happiness. But here the sentence very clearly says that we typically think of major life events or the large purchases and success as the main source of happiness in our life. But are we really able to understand? Are we really able to investigate? Or are we really able to analyze the small things which happens in our day-to-day life? And when the small things happens in day-to-day life, do we really enjoy from that or do we really feel happy for that? So let us go in detail. So here, see, in the Harvard University, the study by Zhang et al. 2014 shows that we are overlooking a powerful and readily available font of happiness. The small things that happens from day to day. In this study, students were asked to place five mundane items that represented their daily lives in a time capsule and to predict how much happiness it would bring them to see these items 3 months later. The students drastically under predicted the joy they actually felt when the time capsules were opened. Here, one thing is very clear that the sentence again says that we are overlooking a powerful and readily available font of happiness. It means that it again it very clearly says that maybe a many a time because of a busy schedule or because of a busy life or maybe because we dream big or we may compare in a big way or maybe like what I want to tell you is that the comparison is a negative way or maybe the comparison in a different way is really snatching our happiness from us. So that is why we may maybe slowly we are forgetting the real joy. We are forgetting the small things which happens in our day-to-day life, and since we have completely forgotten the small things, we end up in stress, we end up in depressed, we end up in what I can say tense. So these things really spoil your mental health. So dear friends, what I really want to suggest you or what we can really do is that pay more attention to the small things that happens in your daily life. Small source of joy are powerful. Dear friends, I want to read this sentence once again here. Pay more attention to the small things that happens in your daily life. Small sources of joy are powerful. Maybe sometime these small sources will give her major happiness. To add to this, I really want to add a few more things here. Like see, find happiness in little things. Life is too short, as you know that you can't predict the life. So so you need to go on searching for big reasons to get happy about. So let me read this once again for you. Find happiness in little things. Life is too short to go searching for big reasons to get happy about. Dear friend, what this sentence is say that let us not go on searching for happiness in big things. Let us try to understand the small things which happens in and around day-to-day basis. Let us really feel happy from that. See, I think I have already told you in this overscheduled life, did you ever try to notice the small things around you? The sentence is very clear, dear friends. Did you really notice the small things which happens in your life or in and around the small things happens? Do you really notice it? Forget about the enjoyment from the small things, but are you able to Are you able to understand the small things which happens in and around, or are you able to notice the small things in and around? And how many of you had a smile on your face when you have noticed these little things? Are we forgetting to live in the present? So that's what happened. Thinking, imagining, comparing, investigating, and seeing all the big things. The question is very clear. Do I, or you, or we, do we live in the present? Or whether we only live in the past and we think about the future and our present is drained, deteriorating. So dear friends, living in the present is really important to really find a joy. So I think I want to repeat this sentence once again. How many of you had a smile on your face when you have noticed these little things? Are we forgetting to live in the present? So dear friends, adding to this, see, you all should know that being a mental health professional, I want to say that happiness is one of the predominant reason for healthy mind. Predominant in the sense we can understand one of the main reason. If as we know that, as I already told you in my previous video, we all think of physical health, but not many, sorry, very rarely people think about mental health. So happiness is something which is a predominant factors for your healthy mind. So finding happiness in little things can really refresh your mind. It can also help you to release stress from your mind. Dear friends, you know why I have added this sentence, because many of us, because of this busy schedule, over scheduled, overworked, we don't know how to find the joy, how we don't know how to find the happiness. So dear friends, these little things will really help you. So dear friends, what I really want to tell you is that be happy with what you have. Just think about the people who are not as fortunate as you are. So dear friends, before concluding, I just want to tell you one thing. Try to notice the small things within the family, outside the family, in your workplace, in your environment. See, sometimes it is also said that drinking a cup of coffee with friends is also a joy, but it depends on how you drink it. Do you really talk, share, enjoy, or not? Sometimes these small things, I don't know. Some people say that the moment I water plants, that gives me the real happiness and joy. So, dear friends, I really want to tell you, find these factors in your life that will really give you a joy. So again, I want to tell you, I want to add one more sentence once again here. Happiness is one of the predominant reason for healthy mind. So dear friends, please take care of that, and please take care of your mental health. Try to find joy and happiness in these small things. Thank you.